Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Milat Hayom, word of the day is the word secret and secrets. And in Hebrew, secret is sod, 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 masculine, singular. And in plural, yes, we have here tough, and it looks a bit feminine, but no, still masculine, plural. Sodot, 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 sod, sodot. Top secret in Hebrew is sod, kemus. Sod, secret, and kemus, something that is very, very hidden. So sod, kemus. And in slang, if we want to say this in humor, we add those two words, and it rhymes. It looks funny, but I promise you it exists. It's real. So cow is para, right? Para. And horse is sus. Sus. Para, sus. And here the lamed here is like to the para, and ve is end, la to the horse, sus. And because it rhymes, kemus and sus, so sod, kemus, לפרה ולסוס. סוד, כמוס, לפרה ולסוס. I can say I have a really, really big secret and I want to share it with you, but it is really, really סוד, כמוס, לפרה ולסוס. Or the other one would say when I ask him, I have a secret to share. Can you we really don't tell about it to other guys? And the other one would say, right, סוד כמוס, לפרה ולסוס. As usual, more info and links to some other lessons in the description box below. And until then, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.